Okay, so Euro USD was a very nice entry I found yesterday after I was waiting price for the retrace to this 1 hour or above this high re reaction. Um, Found out there was a 5 minute supply area had some London liquidity price during London kill zone push very strongly to this area and have a reaction. I was waiting for price to break the low, this low, and then I'll look for a entry because it reacted from this demand. Um, didn't do that, but what it did um, came to this demand, had a reaction, but it didn't made a new high. Instead, the 1 minute, so price reacted to this demand, and you see a beautiful 1 minute lower high lows. The price came to this 1 minute supply. Didn't make any high. Instead, the break structure below this 1 minute lower low, lower high, and I decided to market execute at this area. You can see price retrace, so I could have waited for the better entry retracement, but I thought it's reacting strongly. I decided to market execute. Also, it created equal highs before came to this supply, so that was another influence. The price swept it, mitigated this 1 hour, and then break structure. Very nice entry. Um, and my target was 1 hour. I was targeting down below this low, which is price hit it, but I think it was a 5 minute um, demand area. That price came to it and reacted, and also there was a high impact news coming out, and I decided to close my trade at 123. I was very happy with my analysis. As you can see, price reversed all the way up. So I didn't want to price reverse back up and affect my psychology. So I was happy with 123 and closed my trade. Also, when the price retraced back up, it came down. It swept the 1 hour, swept the 1 hour low down here. Actually, kind of like an equalize, but most likely it didn't break structure with the candle body closure. So that shows what's going to happen after seeing price. It didn't break structure, then we can see a deeper retracement to these levels. So would have been nice because it wasn't my time to look at for entry. But would it be a very nice after probably the price came down and swept out cool lows? Would have had a break of structure? Would it be a nice buy entry down here, or you want to wait for another break of structure? This would be a nice entry for the buy during Asian New York session. GU, I was in this bearish range all the way down here. I was expecting a retracement back to this supply, or maybe in this 61.8% retracement. There's a um, 15 minute supply here. You can see a reaction, but what price did yesterday came to this 15-minute. This call could be like a little entries during London or New York session. If price get a reaction from this or this one or this one. So for the first one, what price did during London session, had London kill zone push all the way up to this 15-minute, and we had a break structure. I was waiting to see a break structure below this low, but that didn't happen. What price did, um, retraced to it, but most didn't make any higher high. The one price did, it made the new lower. Like, I forgot to lower time frame. You can see that. would it be a nice entry? I think it was like 5 minute. Yeah. Um, yeah. So this you can see price came and touched into that 15-minute supply, came to this demand, waiting for the price to make any higher high, which didn't. Made a new um, lower high and then made the new lower low, and then broke structure. So that entry would be very nice. I was in EU, so I didn't want to take two entries, but this entry up here would be a very nice target below Asian low. Nice one to 3. I think it's more clear. Yeah, yeah, with that 15-minute supply area with the imbalance, fair value gap, and the price did. Yeah, very nice. Had a 1 to 3 down Asian low or down to this demand area. Would be a nice 1 to 3.